This is what can be found on the homepage for FamilySearch.org once you have signed in. Across the top are the tabs Family Tree, Searching for records that have been digitized and indexed by Family Search. Memories are your photos, stories, documents that are in your gallery that you've put in. Indexing teaches you how to index the records that can be attached to Family Tree. Your Temple tab is for your reservation list for doing ordinances for your relatives if you've signed in as a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. On the left-hand side are inspirational videos, schedules of different classes you might want to attend, presentations, opportunity to join a partner site. Down the left-hand side are different pictures and photos and documents that some of your relatives have put in regarding your common ancestor. I can click on this person and go into Family Search from here and look at more information on her. On the right-hand side is the opportunity for recommended tasks that the Family Search has found once it knows where I can be found in Family Tree. All opportunities include ordinances that need to be done, ordinances that are almost ready to be done but need a little more information, records that need to be attached to someone in Family Tree, or I can click on Records and simply refine. I just want to look at the records on this person and attach the records to him in Family Tree. Or the tab Temple shows me temple ordinances that need to be done or that are almost ready to be done if I fill in more information. On Anna Sophia, it shows that her ordinances need to be requested, and I can click on this tab and proceed from there into Family Tree. I can view my relationship by coming up through my father's line, and my cousin William is married to Anna Sophia. I may do the temple work for Anna Sophia as well because she's married to my cousin. Down here is my recent people I've visited on Family Tree. It's like a bookmarker. However, there is a bookmarker more readily accessible within Family Tree that I use most of the time. This is my to-do list. I love this. It makes it so I don't have to have sticky notes all over my computer. I can type in something or do a copy and paste. I can check on the birth year for someone or see if there's possible duplicates or a note to confer with a contributor of a common relative. Or I can take note of someone who's going to have a 110th year birthday, so I'll be able to notice that when it happens. Also down at the bottom here are films on how to learn about your calling or to find a family history center near you. Also up at the top is the word messages. If you have received a message from someone through Family Search, you will be notified by your email that you have a new message. You can look at conversations that are going back and forth between you and your cousins, discoveries that Family Search has made regarding information about your family, general information, indexing information, temple work that has been done, and it will allow you to look at those messages. So now you can see what is on the home page for Family Search.